I'm just doing a bit of fencing and the old fella's just coming past straight in front of me. Thought I'd share it, something different. Pretty cool. Hello. Hello, buddy. Hello, Gowan. How are you? You're lucky I'm a friendly fella. Not like everyone else around here. You alright? Cool as. Watch this, going to go with the cattle grid. Might get on over the fence even better. Oh, what are you going to do, mate? You going to go over the cattle grid? Go for a nice big hop? You can come visit again. They're nice, the animals. Shame there's not a few more. A little one might hang around. A bit of looking in, might be looking at the goats. Thinking, oh, this is a friendly spot. Wonder if I can hop his fence. Yes, you can. And it would be welcome. Get the odd kangaroo. Uh-oh, see how it shakes its head left and right? That means it's a little bit stressed. Uh-oh. I want to stress out the poor. Oh, that's bloody why. The car's coming. Great. I'm going to pause it. Oh, it goes under the fence there. There's a hole in the fence. I'll pause it when the car comes past. Oh, poor kangaroo. Look at it stressing. Poor thing. Just legged it. Lucky that wasn't one of the shooters with all its spotlights and stuff on. Oh well, it's right down there now. That was good fun while it lasted. Oh, here it comes back again. I'll pause it until it comes back. It's not coming back. It's going the opposite way. Oh well, hope it lives alright. If it went the other way, it would live really well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy hopping to you too. See you later.